my YouTube channel. Today we are traveling to Mangalore for a short trip, a 2-3 day trip to Mangalore. So come with me. Okay, so we just got done with tea. We had some buns and bhaji. This is somewhere close to Agonda. Huh? Karnakon. Sorry, this is in Karnakon where we had tea, buns, bhaji, and it was very nice. So in case if you all are traveling this side, you all can go there. Hi guys, an update. So we are like 4 hours away from our proper destination where we are staying. But before that, we will stop for lunch at this very cool place. Actually, it is a restaurant wherein the chicken ghee roast actually originated. Like they are the people who invented the chicken ghee roast. So we will wait there for lunch. It's before Udupi. I don't know what the place is called. I'll let you all know later once we are there. So yeah, I'm really looking forward for the chicken ghee roast lunch. Hi guys, so right now we are at the very iconic Shetty Lunch House for lunch, and we have ordered the chicken ghee roast with neer dosa. I'm really excited and looking forward to try this dish because this is the birthplace of this dish. So let's see how it goes, and yeah, I'll update you all once the food is here. We just had lunch at the iconic Shetty Lunch Home. So they are very well known for their chicken ghee roast. So they say that they are the ones who not invented as such, but chicken ghee roast originated from that place. And the masala that is used in the ghee roast is very special to that particular village, which is called Kundapur, I think. So yeah, Kundapur or something. So that is about it. Honestly, I felt it was a little too much of ghee and less of a roast. I mean, there was a lot of ghee in it. So the ghee was very overpowering. Not very much, but yes. The first 2 bites, they were okay. But then once you start eating, it becomes too much. But overall, it's a good 4 or 3.5 out of 5. Yeah, 3.5 out of 5. So yeah, if you are here, maybe you can try it. It's once a try, not always. And also the chicken ghee roast is 795 rupees, that one ghee roast, but the quantity is good. It's pretty much good for like 3 people. You get 10 really good chicken pieces in it, and the gravy, it's like semi gravy. Do try it with neer dosa, it's really nice. Hi guys, so we finally reached our destination. This is how it looks from the outside, and let's move in. So as we enter, we have one sofa with 2 chairs and a table here, and there's a big window, and right beside that is a nice and comfy bed. Then it's an AC room, so we have AC fan, and there is our luggage there with a cupboard and the dressing area. And yes, that is about it. And this is the washroom, the shower area as well, and yeah, this is our view from our room. Good morning guys. So it is the second day of our Mangalore trip, and I did not vlog much last night because it's just that we went for dinner in their in-house restaurant over here only. The food was decent, it was good, and yeah, after which we just watched a movie and then we went to sleep, and now we are up and it's time for breakfast. I am excited for the breakfast, yes, because it's food. And yeah, I'll show you all around today what we have for breakfast, what we do in Mangalore today, and everything in between. So yes, stay tuned. Right outside our room is this beautiful garden, and you see this hibiscus plant. There are so many hibiscus which are flowering, and it's such a pretty sight to see. I mean, if my mom saw this, she would love it. We would have even taken some of them home to plant it in our own garden. But okay. Going to the breakfast place in their restaurant right now. So they have tea here, and then we have some juice. I think that's pineapple, and the other one I don't know what it is. And some sweets, maybe because it's Diwali. And then we have waffles. I'm definitely taking this one. Then some chicken, sausage chili, and some cut fruits, fresh ones, watermelon and papaya in this. And then there's cake. There's some coffee also, and some cornflakes and stuff. Then we have sheera over here. Looks delicious. And some chutney and some sambar. Wow. And some veg korma and paratha. This is Kerala style paratha. And dosa. Dosa looks very yummy. And they had some vada. They have gone for refilling. And we have some idlis here. Guys, so we just done with our breakfast and now we are at the beach. The property is just like a beach facing. So we just walked at the beach. This is the pool area of the resort. Meow. Meow meow. Meow. Meow meow. Hi, so we are done with the Bonda factory. It was a bit of disappointment because the factory was closed. So they were serving ice cream, but the main factory was closed because the employees are on a Diwali leave. So yeah, and also the other thing is that they were not serving that fresh tender coconut water which they usually do. So they had some couple of ice cream options like pina colada and jackfruit and stuff like that. So I tried the jackfruit one. It was basically a tender coconut ice cream topped with some jackfruit, like freshly cut jackfruit. I don't know from where they got the fresh jackfruit in this season, but it was okay, not bad. But the tender coconut ice cream here tastes different from the one which we get in Naturals in Goa. I like the ones from Goa. It is more sweeter and more nicer. Here it was not really tasting much like tender coconut. But yeah, overall it was a okay, fine experience. The thing is I did not get the entire as expected experience. Okay, next destination we are going for lunch because I'm very hungry. I mean, I had a very not heavy, but I had a nice breakfast, but I'm hungry again. So we are going for lunch. And we are planning right now to go to this restaurant called Giri Manchas, which is pretty famous in Mangalore. They have like really good seafood and stuff, and I saw that they are serving something like a fish thali, and if they are doing, if I get a chance to eat that, I will, because I'm really craving for a fish thali. So yes, next I will see you all at Giri Manchas. We are at Giri Manchas right now. We have started. This is a welcome drink kind of a thing which they have given us. It looks like kokum, but it's not kokum, it's something else. There is some masalas and all in it, but it tastes nice. Got done with a very nice lunch. I had a fish thali. Fish thali as in this was like a Mangalorean style thali at Giri Manchas. So if you are coming to Mangalore, make sure to visit Giri Manchas because it's really good. I mean, we had this fish thali which actually comes with like a rice. You can opt for a white rice or a brown rice and a little bit of curry with a small piece of fish, a little bit of vegetable and another type of a veg curry and a little bit of pickle For fish, you need to order your fish separately, and that thali itself is just for 60 rupees. And we had like 2 of such thalis, one full kingfish, and we also had prawns ghee roast and a soft drink and some stuff, and it was just 710 rupees. I mean, that was pretty inexpensive. Not really expected, but yes. And also the food was really good. Prawns ghee roast, really nice, better than the chicken ghee roast we had at Shetty's. But yes, it was spicy and very nice. Surmai also was really good. It was some Mangalorean type masala fry, which was good. Also, the piece was not like a very thin one. It was a nice fat piece. And yeah, the quality of food is really good. So yes, Giri Manjas was a hit. Good morning. So this is the last day. We are leaving today from Bangalore, and it is so heartbreaking. I don't want to go, but we have to go. So anyway, about last night, I kind of stopped vlogging. I think after I don't know. I mean, after Giri Manjas, I think I stopped vlogging. So after that, we went to one mall. I don't think I have clips from that, but yeah. So we went to a mall, came back, we rested for a while, and it was raining outside. So after which, we went to have some tea at the in-house restaurant in Somerset's Beach Resort. After that tea session, I think we went out for the city walk, the chalk walk, Joby, whatever street thing. So there were like food carts over there, everything from burgers and ice creams and everything. And there were some arcade games also, which were for pretty good prices, like one game for 50 rupees, which is good. Okay, we did not play the arcade games because by the time we were done with food, it was late and they had closed the game section. But yes, we had some burgers and momos and some ice creams and pancakes. So yeah, that was a nice one. So if you are here in Mangalore, that place is really good to visit in the evening, like after it's dark, because it's nice and lit. And yes, that was about it. Now in the morning we are going for breakfast, and yeah, I will see you after that. So right now we are heading to a hanging bridge, and this road goes through a village. Pretty nice green, and let's see if we can catch the hanging bridge. This is the hanging bridge and it is shaking, guys, and I do not have the daring to go ahead of this. This is actually a hanging bridge. There is nothing down, and it is just supported by these rods or whatever, I don't know. And as you walk on it, it shakes a little. Okay, so if you are scared of heights like me, it might be a little scary, but otherwise it's not actually very scary for normal people. Hi guys, so we are right now at Marwanti beach. I don't know the name of the beach, but the drone shot of this particular beach is very beautiful, and this is the beach behind me. Hi, so we are here for lunch at Marwanti beach. We found a local spot which is right by the beach side. They have like separate shack kind of things, and we have ordered for some fish thali and fish. And yes, let's see what our order is. What comes. Let's see. Very nice nimbu soda. The food was really nice, especially the fish, the kingfish and the prawns, spicy and nice. The fish thali was also nice. I mean, they gave us like bangda. Bangda was not so good. Lipstick worthy kya? The bangda was okayish. The rice quantity was a lot. Like in one thali, it was for 2 people. It was nice. The food is good. Atmosphere is also okay, good. So if you guys are traveling around Marthane beach, you all should check out this place.